This video is talking about files, on how to insert a file into your website. So what we want to do is go to Add Element, which you see on the left in the menu section. Scroll down to the basics to where you find File. What you do, you want to drag and you're going to drop this in whatever area you want to on your website. I want to drag it and I want to drop it right below my map. This is basically like all the other buttons, the click to call, the maps, the click to email. It's already formatted, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But as you see, my file library has already opened up, so I could pick one of these files and it's going to link to it. If I don't want that to happen, I can actually link that file, this button here, to an existing page, to a website URL, to an actual product or category from my store. As you see here, it does say link to file. This is by default. And then you have email address. So if maybe you messed up, who knows, and you don't want it to go to a file, maybe something else, you have these options available to you. But right now we say link to a file. So it could be a PDF, it could be MP3, and so forth. And then once again, you're able to design it after you name it and so forth. You could design, once again, each button individually. You could pick out the layout, and you can actually adjust the padding and margin, but then you can also do it universally. But one thing I want to show you again, just like the other buttons, is one thing that you can't add in that's universal is the width and height of the button. Either you can adjust it by this area here in the more section of your of the edit area, or you can do it from here. Just tap on the image, we tap on the element, and use this corner box here to adjust the width and the height of that, and then you can move it up and down. Check that out, I even have it on my map. So it's very, very flexible. And then of course, let's say that I shrunk this bad boy about there, and I want to move this from side to side. I just touch the left box and then I can move it from side to side. Maybe I want it there. So there's a lot of options you can do here, but I will talk about going to design, and here in the buttons section, it was expanded, but you'll click on where it says buttons, and then you'll be able to pick what style that you want. And if you want to customize it further by, say, changing the color or the text, click on where it says customize, and you're able to do it here. But this will affect from the left hand side of where it says design. This is going to affect all of the buttons that you have universally. So whatever you're doing here, the instant that you do something different, it's going to change all these buttons. That's the power of this editor, is that you're able to do everything universally, or go into each button separately and do it individually. Okay, that's all you have to do to insert your files. Good luck.